start an LVT project before you check out the following list of items. If you want to know more about LVT, be sure to click up here and watch the first video where I explain to you what LVT is made of, where it comes from, and all that good stuff. Now, for the product to perform and look amazing, you need to do a couple of different things. LVT can be installed in a few different ways, whether it's click, glue down, loose lay, it doesn't matter. But your substrate preparation is critical in all of these installation applications. Because of the thickness of this material, any floor imperfections can show through. An installer's best friend is a skim patch. This patching material is used to go over a concrete or a wood floor, and it's made to fix any imperfections that are about 1/16 of an inch or so. With this skim material, your goal is to make the floor flat. If your substrate has real issues, like you had to demo a tile floor, it has some bad cracks or really deep crevices, you may need to install a leveling compound. This is a poured material that can be dumped onto the floor. It'll fill in any gaps, holes, or cracks and give you that flat substrate that is necessary. So whether you use the patch or the self-leveling, it gets you to the next step in the LVT installation process. Today I want to tell you about 2 ways to glue down your LVT material. You have a trowel-on adhesive, a roll-on adhesive. Both are very similar and they create a chemical bond between the substrate and the vinyl. This chemical bond is very strong, but you have to get the right amount of material onto the floor. And you do that with a notched trowel or a nap roller. In this situation, more is not better. Make sure you read the instructions and what adhesive your manufacturer recommends. You use the appropriate gauged notched trowel or the right thickness of a nap roller. Follow the timing instructions that can be critical on any installation. So have you installed LVT or vinyl flooring before? If you have, let me know down in the comments what your favorite is. Is it to trowel on the glue or roll on the glue? I personally like the roll-on. I think it's a great DIY solution. But let me know what you think down below in the comments. Okay, one more thing before we put our tile on the floor. You have to acclimate your tile. What does that mean? I'll tell you what that means. Acclimating your tile is critical to the success of your installation. Vinyl is very temperature sensitive. So therefore, you don't need to unload your truck, bring it in, and start installing. You need to have permanent air condition or HVAC, temperature control, whatever you call it, wherever you're from, in the space that you're installing. Bring your material in a day or so early. Again, read the instructions. This way, your tile is at the same temperature as your substrate, and there won't be any shrinkage or buckling. If you've ever seen LVT that's tinted or buckled or separated, it is a possibility that they didn't acclimate the tile and turned on the air conditioning, or something happened where the temperature changed and caused that failure. So acclimating your tile is critical. These installation tips will get your installation started on the right path. Did I leave out any? Let me know what those are. I'd love to read your comments. I'd love to know what you're installing this week. What was your favorite LVT installation? Leave them down below. And before you watch this next video that YouTube says you want to watch, please take some time to like and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you soon. Tile the world, and let's keep learning together.